Hi students, I am Prasanna from South English Potential Online Classes. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn about operator PVC. First of all, when you design the PVC programming, then you have to follow some things. These are the most important elements of the PVC programming. Variable, constant, operator, reservoir, character set, etc. Many things. Among them, operator is also the most important elements of PVC. First of all, what is operator? What is operator? We must need to know about the operator. Especially operator is the symbol or sign which is used to calculate the operands. Now discuss about operator. Operator symbol or sign which is used to calculate the operands. We see the definition of the operator. Especially it is the symbol or sign. What do you mean by symbol or sign? Suppose A plus B. Plus is the symbol. A into B. Into is the symbol. So suppose when we write the program is A equal to 10, B equal to 20, sum equal to A plus B and print sum. This is the simple program. This is the a type of program, simple program here. So here equal to is the operator, just which is assigned by A variable. 10 is the constant which is assigned by A variable. B is also the constant which is assigned by B variable. So these symbols are called the operator. Equal to, plus, when we use subtract equal to A minus B, subtract equal to A minus B. Okay. Here equal to and minus. These are the symbols. So especially operator is the symbol or sign which is used to calculate the operands. Different types of operators. Different types of operator. There are mainly three types of operator. Mainly three types of operator as follows. Number one is called the arithmetical operator. Number one is called what? Arithmetical operator. Okay. Arithmetical operator means the operator which is used to calculate the arithmetical operations. Arithmetical operations means addition. Okay. Simply addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay. After division, integer division. Okay. After that, modulus. These are called these are called the arithmetical operators because this symbol is used for the addition. When you have to calculate two values, two operands, then you have to use the plus sign, that is add. It is called the subtraction. If you want to subtract A to B, B to A, then you have to use the subtract symbol. This is for the multiplication which is used to calculate the multiply of two numbers. This is called the division. Okay, this is called the integer division. So these all are called the arithmetical operators. Now discuss about the relational operator. Relational operator. Especially what is relational operator? The operator which is used to compare between two or more operands or values. Suppose greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equals to, and not equal to. These are called what? Relational operator which is used to compare between two values. Suppose A equals to B, example, A equal to B, that means the value of A, if the value of A is equal to the value of B, that means both are the equal. So both are compared. So it is called the equal to is called also the relational operator. Suppose A is greater than B. Suppose A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. especially A is greater than B. If the value of A is greater than the value of B, that means what? A is greater. If the condition true, then what? A is greater. Okay. Otherwise, it is not necessary that A is greater than B. It may be false also. If the condition is false, then that means what? B is greater. So greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equals to, and not equals to. These are called the relational operator, which compares between two values, which compares between two strings, which compares between two variables. Okay. And the third is logical operator. Logical operator. Third is logical operator. Especially logical operator plays the vital role into the QBasic programming, and operator and third is what? Not operator. Not operator. Okay, these three operators are the example of logical operators. The AND operator means what? AND operator, like comparison operator, these are also like as the comparison operator, which is used to compare multiple conditions. Okay, 2 conditions, 3 conditions, 4 conditions, 5 conditions. These operators are used for checking the multiple conditions. Simple, for example, when you make a simple program, input A, B, C, and when you follow the condition, if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, that means AND is the operator, which is the example of what? Logical operator. It is the example of logical operator. Okay. In logical operator, what is the condition of the logical operator? If all the condition in given conditions becomes true, that means if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, both conditions, when both conditions are true, then also print true. Okay. Otherwise print the false. The AND operator, true first condition should be true, second condition also should be true, then it will print true. If the first condition becomes false and second condition becomes true, then it will be false. That means AND operator checks all the conditions. If all the condition in given condition becomes true, then it print true, otherwise print the false. The AND is the logical operator. In same places, if you follow the OR operator, okay, OR operator means what? If any condition, here 2 conditions are given. If any condition, suppose this condition is true and this condition becomes false, then true, false, true. Okay, I will teach truth table of AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator in next tutorial. The if first condition true and second condition false also will be true. That means what is the truth table of OR operator? If any condition in given conditions become true, then output will be true. Otherwise false. That means if any condition in given condition, if all the condition becomes false, then it output will be false. So this is the function of OR operator. Third is NOT operator. What is NOT operator? The NOT operator means just reverse the condition. NOT operator means in this operator, if the given condition becomes true, then output will be false. Okay. If the condition is true, then output will be false. That means if the condition is false, then output will be true. Just it reverses the condition. Okay. If the given condition becomes false, then output will be true. Output will be true. That means Suppose simple example, we are taking the example A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. Okay, then when you follow the condition, if A is not operator, not equal to B, then okay, if A is not equal to B, then when we write the condition, print equal or not equal. When we write any string, then if A is not equal to 10 is not equal to 20, then it will display this statement. Okay, it always close it if statement and finally int. Okay, so we can use these operators in basic programming for calculating different types of operands, mathematical operands, relational operands, or logical operands. Okay, in next tutorial I will teach about the two table of AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator, and